This is the Americolor Violet food coloring, and this does give you, I've been testing food coloring today. I'm putting 1/4 cup of icing with 1 drop, 2 drops, and 3 drops of the gel food coloring, and these do come in a dropper bottle. So you're obviously going to be able to get a lighter color if you use more icing in just 1 drop. This is a nice range though, because a lot of them, these are so saturated, these colors are so saturated, you're getting a dark color that is not, like once you add more, it doesn't make it that much darker. But with this one, I am seeing a bigger difference between the dark here and the medium than I am with other colors. But this is a nice purple, and I don't know how the fading is. That's the one thing with purple food coloring. If you're going to use this, always do a test, because depending on what kind of icing you're using, it can fade out. And sometimes if you put it in gum paste, it'll fade out because of I think it's because of the gum tragacanth or whatever it is in there. The gums will make the violet fade. I don't know what it is specifically, but definitely test if you're using any kind of purple icing, because I've had purple icing fade before. I don't think that this fades too much. I have used this before and I did not fade so much, but always test it, because depending on what you're putting it in, that can change how much it fades or changes color. It also sometimes will get darker overnight. So if you need a really dark color, then you should definitely let it sit before you use it so that it will get to the color that it's going to be, and then it won't change when it's on your cake.